the save game files and config files located on PC. 1. Open File Explorer. Press Windows E on your keyboard. File Explorer will open instantly. You can now access game folders easily. 2. Enable hidden files. Click the View tab in File Explorer. Enable Hidden Items option. Hidden app data folders will become visible. 3. Open the Run dialog. Press Windows R together. The Run window will appear. This helps you open hidden folders quickly. #. 4. Access local app data folder. Type sent local app data sent and press enter. The local app data folder will open. Many game config files are stored here. 5. Find the Forza Horizon 6 folder. Search for folders related to Forza Horizon 6. Open the game data directory carefully. Config and cache files may be located inside. 6. Locate Xbox app save files. Go to C, use users using app data local packages. Find the Forza Horizon 6 package folder. Open it to access save data. 7. Open the save game folder. Navigate to systemappdata.wgs. Save files are usually stored here. Avoid deleting files unless backed up first. #8. Locate config and settings files. Check folders like local cache or local state. Graphics and gameplay settings are often stored there. Backup config files before editing anything. 9. Backup your save files. Copy the save folder to another drive or USB. Keep a backup before reinstalling the game. This helps protect your progress from corruption. Restore save files properly. Replace damaged saves with backup files. Paste them into the original save folder. Launch the game and let Cloud Sync finish completely.